To create a roof for the project, first open the level closely associated to the roof by double-clicking it in the project browser. Here, the lower parapet level will be used. Then, on the Architecture tab of the ribbon, click the Roof tool to enter sketch mode. Now you can select the tool from the Draw panel. In this case, you use the Pick Walls tool to draw the edges of the roof at the building entry. This will be a sloped roof with an overhang. On the options bar, set an overhang value of 600 and verify Define Slope is selected. Position the cursor near one of the walls at the entry. A dashed line is shown indicating the overhang position of the roof. Press Tab to highlight the chain of walls and click to place the roof boundary. The triangle shape that displays near the lines indicates they will be a slope-defining edge of the roof. The roof in this area is higher than the lower parapet. On the Properties palette, set the base level to 03 upper parapet and click Finish to place the roof. To more easily create the flat roof of the building, additional walls must be visible in the view. The exterior walls of the building can be seen when an underlay is applied to the view. On the Properties palette, set the underlay value to 01 store floor. This lets us see the walls from the 01 store floor plan in our current view. Click Roof by Footprint again. Pick Walls is used as the drawing tool. This time, on the options bar, set the overhang value to 0 and clear Define Slope setting. In the Properties palette, set the base offset from level parameter to -750. Now sketch the roof boundary. Position the cursor near an exterior wall and press Tab to highlight the chain of walls. Click to place the sketch lines and finish the roof. Open a 3D view to see the resulting roof elements. You can see the interior walls extend through the flat roof. To correct this, we will attach the walls to the roof. Select an interior wall and then right-click. From the contextual menu, choose Select All Instances and Visible in View to select all interior walls. On the Contextual tab of the ribbon, select Attach and then select the flat roof. Now the interior walls stop at the underside of the roof and no longer extend through the flat roof.